Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the market itself and make my daily commentary about it. First off, I'm going to talk about the American market. What is occurring in the market at the moment? This is a technical rebound, but I can say you about this. American market is going down, yes, because of the unclarity of the situation in Iran and the American war. That's the reason the American market is going down. The main road is the American market is to be go up, and I'm expecting it will be going to hit and break the $7,000 level. But if you look at the technical view, maybe it can be take a little bit more time for the make a bottom through these levels. Do not be just jump to the American market at the moment. I do not suggest it. But main road is going up. But the situation in the Iran war, at least we just need to be make this American market to be make a bottom through these levels, and then straight off the Hormuz to be opened at the moment. So this is just a technical rebound. It can be hit 6,500 levels. My worst case scenario is going to be it's going to be hit the $6,150, and I do not think about it is not going to be go down through these levels, because this is a Fibonacci point and this is a huge support through these levels because it was a once resistance. So the situation in the American market, it is this. Also with the gold was oversold and it making its way for up. It's just waiting for to be hitting the critical resistance level of this 4,600, the Fibonacci level. If it's going to be succeeded through here, it will be go back to the 4,700 levels, but I don't believe it will be go up from these levels. I'm talking about the per ounce, and I think it will be stagnate through here, not going up, not going down. But my main thing about the gold made its all-time high for 5,600 levels. I do not think it will be go back to these levels again. It will be, but not in a short time of period. So if I have to talk about the silver at the moment, so it was too much oversold, same like the gold. These are just the technical rebounds is occurring in the markets. They are not going down because it was too much oversold, and within the oversold, the good news were being awaiting from the markets and the world and the war itself, and good things going to be happen. Good things happen today. Had said American war minister just talk, and he said the positive things about the market. So this is the market just made its way for the up because it was just waiting for these good announcements because it was too much oversold. If this will not be happens, it always does, but sometimes it not. It can be not going up, not going down through the $7 levels per silver, and made its way for the downside. So my opinion, do not be just very much trust these levels because these indicators are going down. So with the Bitcoin is going for its own. It's not looking for the market itself. Well, as you can see, the American market was going up like 1.7%. The Bitcoin is just going up like 1.1%. So back in the days, maybe in the September, August, or the June, July levels, it always followed the American markets. But the correlation between the American markets and the cryptocurrencies, I mean American markets, Nasdaq I'm talking about, links have just been disconnected at the moment, and Bitcoin is just going for its own. My opinion, Bitcoin made its already the dip, or just so close for the dip levels, trying to make its bottom level to be solid at the moment. Same thing with the Ethereum, same, going up, not going up, not going down. I'm talking about not going up, not going down. I'm talking about it's making its ground level. XRP in the 133, 132 made its ground level. For the XMR is also, they are all following the Bitcoin. So the altcoins, I mean Ethereum, XRP, some kind of Monero because Monero has a huge volume, and other stuff, Fed, AVAX is always following the Bitcoin if it's not manipulative or just a news occurred over themselves. But they are all making ground solid at the moment. Also with the AVAX going back to the 640 level and then made its way up. So the good thing with the AVAX. Also, if you look at the AVAX, it's in the seems like a dip. Maybe it can be go back to the 750 or something like that, but I do not know. We will just have to see the Bitcoin's course of the way. Fed hold it strong, but it's losing its momentum at the moment. It's going to be lose the momentum. We just need to look because it pumped up really good in a very short time of period. And if it's going to be go back to the 19 levels, and it made its ground for the solid at that moment and made its way for that. I know it's going to be the break the 20 cents level. It's going to be break it, but if it's going to be made its way for the Fibonacci and then maybe this way up, because I think it can be break this Fibonacci. If it's going to be break and go back, this is a good signal for the Fed. It seems like the rally will be pump up in the Fed coin too. I'm going to say about this: do not be just getting the FOMO at the moment in the American markets, in the cryptocurrencies, gold, silver. Just wait, because the American markets especially have to make its way out. I was recording this video, it was 1.7, 1.52 at the moment. Yes, okay, it's normal because the profit sales, very short-term profit sales are occurring at the moment. But in the technical view, this seems not like a bottom at the moment. So just wait through here. Also, if you look at the April levels, it went down, and it was a bottom, pumped up really good, and then going down, go up. So just be panicked at the moment, because the going down situation could be occurring in the markets at the moment, but the main way is going to be up. So thank you for watching my video. See you all.